Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2021 Scout 215 XSF. Starting off with the boat's profile, this is the black gel coat color. We've got a standard white rub rail with a stainless steel insert, and notice that our navigation lights are integrated into that rub rail. You can see from here, we'll talk about it inside as well, but this is the Midnight Edition package, so all of the powder coating throughout the boat, 4 grab rails, the T-top frame, all of that is also in black to match the black gel coat color. Now let's head inside and see the rest. So here in the cockpit of the 215 XSF from Scout, starting off at the motor, we have this boat powered with an optional V6 3.4 liter 200 horsepower 4-stroke from Mercury. Pushes this boat really well. Great hole shot and great top end speed as well, north of 50 miles an hour. This also has a top cowling service door, so I can remove this entire cowling just by engaging this single lever. I can also check and change my oil without having to remove the entire cowling and with the boat in the water as well. So a really nice user-friendly, owner-operator-friendly feature here from Mercury. We have 2 swim platforms on either side, splash well forward of the motor. Our telescoping reboarding ladder is off to the starboard side. And we also have a closable and lockable cockpit door that's good for keeping small kids or small dogs safe inside the boat. We've got 4 rod holders and 2 cup holders along the transom, along with pop-up cleats. We have a standard bait well to the port side, which can also be used as a raw water washdown. Also makes for a good cooler. Here we have a stern seat that seats 2 comfortably. We have a ski pole that's optional. That stern seat stows away really nicely. Beneath the gunnels here, we have undergunnel rod storage on both sides along with LED rope lighting, so this boat illuminates really nicely at night. Again, that Midnight Edition package, so everything that would normally be that off-white Scout white color or the cream color is done in black. Got a standard igloo cooler here, rocket launcher rod holders, cup holders, optional rod holders here on top of the hardtop. Again, black powder coating on that hardtop frame. Here at the helm, 2 bolsters that work independently of each other, so the driver can lean while the passenger sits. And the driver has a nice footrest, whether they're seated or they're standing. Also here at the helm, this is the standard steering wheel from Scout. Lumar steering wheel that comes with a steering knob, which is on a tilt base. Digital throttle and shift with that Mercury 200 4-stroke. We've got our analog gauges with an LED digital display for that Mercury motor. Optional trim tabs with optional trim tab indicators that show where those tabs are positioned. We've got a standard Fusion Bluetooth stereo and an optional 9-inch Garmin with a through-hole transducer already installed. We've got switches here for our pumps and lights, and our horn. Moving forward, down inside the console, it's where our battery switch and our batteries are located. We've also got a ton of storage, about just under 5 feet of headroom in there. You can install a porta potty on this boat if you wish. Otherwise, you can leave that area open, and it's really versatile storage for you. Moving forward in the bow, we've got U-shaped seating up front. That can seat 5. 2 adults, certainly a parent and a child, can fit on this forward chase lounge. We've got built-in armrests that are integrated into the hardtop frame with a lot of storage beneath the chase. This is an insulated lid, so it will keep ice with really deep storage as well that's also drained. So this is intended to be dry storage. It's a great place for a full mooring cover. Coolers, beach bags, it will keep ice, and it's also a good fish box. The backrests for these bow seats do easily remove, as do all of these cushions. So if you want to fish this area and get all the upholstery out of the way, it's easy to convert that to do so. We've also got some storage lockers up front in the bow. Notice everything is finished out. It's all drained. Access to your anchor line is beneath this hatch here. Anchor is housed beneath this forward hatch here. And we have optional rod holder, cup holder combo receivers. So obviously you can stick a rod or a cup up here, but it also makes this boat ready for a bow sunshade. So canvas connects to the hardtop, canvas connects to stanchions, and drop those stanchions right into the receivers right here. And when you're anchored, you're beached, you're docked, you can have this area nice and shaded. That's a look at our Scout 215 XSF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any interest or questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.